Subscribe to Cat with Sahil Sharma channel and press the bell icon to never miss the video.
Hello, welcome to Cat with Sahil Sharma channel. In today's video, I will show you the bridge between the modeling and the surfacing. So there are some commands which relates modeling and surfacing. So we will see the two commands for that, and for that I will create a model, a simple rectangular block. So this is the rectangle, and by extrusion I can create a block of it. Okay, now the command name, you get the command from insert and the combine. Insert and combine. So these commands that we will see, but we will see today sew and unsew. So first of all, let's see what is unsew. So what Unsew will do is that it will create the sheet out of a model face. So I have a model here. So if I select this face, so the Unsew command will create the sheet of this whole model, but the selection that I made will be a single sheet. It will not be connected to the remaining body. So if you want to create a sheet of a particular face, you have to select that face out of it. So let's select the command Unsew, and if I select this upper face here and click OK, so that something is flashed. So if I move around, so this actually I have not selected any filter. If I select the sheet body filter, so these are different body now. So you can see that it is showing also a sheet body of Unsew 3, that is the third command. Okay, if I click the hide here, you can see that the whole body is becoming a hollow body and it's a sheet, but this here is connected. You can see that if I use the blend command here, I can blend this, and this only happens if the body is connected. So it means that this whole body is connected here, and the upper face that I have selected is removed, or I can hide it to produce something else above. Now let's create a sketch above. So I will create a B-spline curve here for the sketch. General shape here. Let's move on. So today we will not see this surface command, but I will use it. I will show you in the surface series, but I need this command to show you the sew command. Okay, so for using this command, let's say this is just the introduction. I have to select the curves, and I have to select the set of curves. So this is my first set, and click the new set. This is the second set, then click on the new, and this is third set. And by doing that, it will create a sheet that is following that curve, following three curves here, 1, 2 and 3 set of curves. But you can see that this is different. I have selected the sheet bodies filter, so this is different sheet and this is different sheet. And you can see if I use the edge blend here, so it will not blend the upper one because they both are unsewed now. So if I have to make a solid body out of it, I have to go to the combine, then the sew, then select the sheet body that I created and the tool that is below. If I click OK, you get a new body which is not a sheet. You can see that I have selected the sheet filter, so it's not showing anything. And you can also if you want to confirm it, you can press Ctrl and W on your Windows laptop, and if you hide sheet bodies here, it will not hide anything, or facet body, not any faces if you have selected. If you hide sheet solid body, it will hide the whole body here. So it means that the Sew command combines all the sheets and create a solid body out of it. And for the further verification, if you want the further verification, so let us first of all create a model. So that is appealing model. So I'll create it here and click apply, and click apply, and below also. Okay, so this is a model, so it's somewhat very different. And if I want to see that the body is solid or hollow, you can obviously use the trim body command and select the tool here, and you can see that the body is not hollow, it's a solid body. And if I click OK, if I want only this face, and if I have to create a hollow means pattern for the casting, I can use the shell command, which will produce the shelling with some thickness if you want. So this can also be done if you want to do, but if you want to use the Unsew command here also, that can also be done. And if I select this body, it will create a sheet out of it, and if I hide it, you get a complete hollow sheet. So this is about a bridge commands between the modeling, 3D modeling, that is the solid modeling, and the surfacing, which is a sheet here. So I hope you understood these commands, and if you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friend and your teachers. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.